want to see how it does off-road a little bit, just in the grass?
Yeah, whatever.
Cool.
Oh my God, this is a dream.
This is a really awesome truck. You have some excellent taste, and I think that you're going to be really impressed with this truck.
I love that supercharger, man.
Yeah, it sounds so good. I think the launch on this thing is going to blow you away. So everything kind of gets stiffened up in sport, including the steering, and it just feels tighter. And then in auto, everything's nice and comfortable. There's lots of great specific stuff that you can mess with, but the best way to launch the truck, which is the most fun part, I think, of the truck, throw it in sport, it'll turn traction off, but I manually turn it back on. That's the way we've best achieved the 0 to 60, and we'll jump in. And you guys buckled in, ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think so, man. Oh my God, 110?
Yeah.
That is wicked fast.
Yeah.
On a truck.
Big
Wow.
truck, too.
Big truck, yeah.
That's crazy.
With 37s.
Yeah. You want to see how it does off-road a little bit, just in the grass?
Yeah, whatever.
Off-road and it just goes instead of just making some big mud hole behind you. It just goes. It's unbelievable.
Hang out here all day, man.
Yeah, this is just light work for this truck.
I'm impressed, man. I'm impressed.
That's awesome.
You know, and I went back and forth. I'm like, that's a lot of money. You know, and you think like, but it's just, it's worth it for sure. Like, no doubt. Dude,
Yeah.
I am in, it way exceeded my expectations, man.
Yeah,
I'm serious.
that's awesome.
Yeah.
So what's your favorite part about the truck?
The awesome. Yeah. And how fast it goes.
60. Oh, that's crazy.
Drive a stock